caught his wife with another man and then he killed her. The court's decision may surprise you. Imagine coming home one day and discovering that your beautiful partner is cheating on you. In a moment of anger and despair, a man lost control and killed his wife. The police arrested him and charged him with murder. But then, when the case got to the court, the judges had to answer a very difficult question. Can sudden provocation reduce murder to manslaughter? This question came before the court in the case of R against Adekanmi. The story of this case is very interesting. Here's what happened. Adekanmi married one day and he discovered that his wife had been unfaithful. The discovery triggered immense anger, as anybody would expect, an emotional shock, and in that moment of rage, he attacked and killed her. He was arrested and charged with murder, one of the most serious offenses under the criminal law. But during the trial, the court had to consider something very, very important in murder cases. One, was the killing done with malice? Was it aforethought, which is required, which is an element required for murder, or was the act committed in a moment of sudden provocation? The legal issue the defense argued was that Adekanmi acted under provocation. And in criminal law, provocation occurs when a person is suddenly deprived of self-control because of another person's actions. So, is this justifiable? If the provocation is serious enough, the law may reduce what would normally be murder to manslaughter. The question before the court became, did the wife's adultery amount to sufficient provocation? Did it? What do you think? But the legal principle, or rather, the court held that where an accused kills a person in the heat of passion caused by sudden provocation, the offense may be reduced from murder to manslaughter. And in this case, the discovery of the wife's adultery was considered capable of depriving the accused of self-control. This principle was well illustrated in the decision against R against Adekanmi. For the defense of provocation to succeed, the law generally considered three things. The provocation must be grave enough. The reaction must be sudden, not planned. The accused must have acted in the heat of passion before cooling off. If these three elements are present, the court may reduce the charge from murder to manslaughter. The lesson from this case is powerful. Even when someone commits a serious act like killing, the court will still carefully examine the circumstances that led to it. Because in criminal law, intent and state of mind matter. Now, let me ask you something. Do you think discovering adultery should reduce murder to manslaughter in law, or should the punishment remain the same? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.